I just want to give overview of SAP and SAP MM and also ERP software. And who wants to enter into SAP MM, they must know all these things. First, overview of SAP MM. What is SAP? SAP means nothing but system applications products in data processing. And SAP is the second ERP software in the world. And what is the ERP software? See, ERP means enterprise resource planning. See, if you take any organization, we need resources to start, like people, missions, money, land, building, materials. Any company using resources by planning to improve, to develop, and to grow rapidly, or planning of all resources for running a business is called ERP. Okay. See, in market there are several ERP softwares, and I have taken few. See, ERP packages are SAP, Oracle, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, BAN, Microsoft Dynamics, Ramco, Marshall. These are the ERP packages. Still there are so many. See, aggressive the ERP software, and also 80 to 85% of our companies are captured by the ERP enrollment. And Oracle is a competitor to SAP. Who may tell this? And what is the SAP real time? And what is the arbitrary architecture? In real time, what is the arbitrary architecture? See, R relates real time, and 3 represents 3-tier architecture. We have 3 types of architecture. One is the presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. What is the presentation layer? It is a interacting with end users from the presentation layer, and presentation layer is also known as the client layer, and it is a user interaction. And also in SAP user interaction purpose, we use GUI. GUI stands for graphical user interface. Example, let's take example for presentation layer. Desktop, mobiles, devices, laptops. These are the examples for presentation layer. And the next one is application layer. Application layer is also known as a kernel layer and basic layer. SAP application programs are executed in application layer, and it is a purpose of communicated between presentation and database layer. And the final one is database layer. What is the database layer? It means whatever the data, it can be business data or SAP system data or SAP tables or program, whatever it is, the data can be stored in database layer. And this is the SAP arbitrary architecture. And next one is, what are the system landscape? It means nothing but it is going to define as an arrangement of SAP servers. We have 3 types of servers. One is a development server, quality server, production server. Each server is having different clients as per the requirement. Development server means the configuration, like whatever, like you will be done the configuration, customization, all you will be done in development server. And also all consultants will be involved in development server. Okay, once we have developed that, you will move to the quality server. In quality server, you will check everything. If it is everything correct, then you will move to the production server. Production server is a live server where end users can work. And next one is organization structure. What is the SAP MM organization structure? See, organization structure is divided with a respective model. MM is having different organization structure, and FI is having different organization structure. Okay, each module is having different organization structure. See, I will discuss about what is a client and what is a company code and plant, storage location, and purchasing organization, and also purchasing group. See, client means nothing but the client is the highest level in the organization, and also it is independent with having one master data, and also it can pull reports of all company codes under the client, and whatever the master data maintained in the client level, it is valid for all the levels in the organization structure. And also under one client, we can have a number of company codes as per the requirement. Okay, this is the client. And what is the company code? The company code means company code is the highest level organizational unit of the client. And if you want to maintain profit and loss and balance sheet accounts and all, then you have to maintain new company code. The next one is plant. See, plant means nothing but it is a place where we can store the materials, and also where the manufacturing is going to happen under the company code. And this is the meaning of plant. And storage location means storage location is a place where we can keep the materials exactly under plant. It is a physical location. And what is a purchasing organization? See, purchasing organization means nothing but purchasing organization is a simply defined as a group of purchasing activities where negotiate with the vendor. And also purchasing organization we can say as a purchasing department in our company. All purchasing decisions will be taken by the purchasing department. And purchasing group. See, in purchasing organization also we have different types of purchasing organization, like standard purchasing organization and regular purchasing organizations, and also reference purchasing organizations. I'm just giving overview. In next video I will upload the whole process of organization structure, how to create purchasing organization, and also how to assign that, how to create plans or locations. We'll do the configuration in SAP script in next video. The next one is the purchasing group. What is a purchasing group? See, purchasing group means it can be defined as a person or group of people which deal certain materials or grouping materials, which is purchased through purchasing organization. Okay, I'm just giving overview of organization structure. And one is overview of SAP MM module. See, SAP MM is a functional module and it deals with procurement handling and material management. And also it contains master data, system configuration, and transactions to complete procure to pay process. And material management is highly integrated with other modules like FI, PP, WM, SD, QM. And you have to understand the P2P process. P2P process means procure to pay process. Okay, procurement process flow. You just understand the business from where it will start and where it will end. Let's take an example. In a company, any one of department requires some materials. They will create purchase requisition, and once it has got approval from the higher management, then they will send to the purchasing department. Then purchase department will create purchase order if vendor is available. If vendor is not available, then they will go for RFQ process. RFQ process means request for quotation. They will send quotations to the different vendors. Once vendors respond with their quotations and with their price and terms and conditions. As per the quotation process, we'll select one best vendor. After that, we'll give purchase order to that vendor. Once we have given purchase order to vendor, the vendor will deliver the goods. Once we have received, we'll do goods receipt. And once we have done the goods, we'll do invoice verification. How many materials we have received based on PO and goods receipt. We'll do invoice verification. Finally, the payment will be done. And this is the procurement process. This is very important. You just understand what is the exact meaning of what is the process in the business point of view. And next one, there you can see SAP MM procurement cycle. First, material requirement planning, then purchase requisition and request for quotation, then vendor selection, purchase order processing, then goods receipt, invoice verification. Finally, the payment will be done, payment processing. What is the master data in SAP MM? So you have different types of master data: material master, vendor master, source list, purchasing info record, quote arrangement. Okay, I will upload new videos, like I will upload about material master and vendor master. Okay, in next session I will upload about all these topics. What are the internal and external documents? See, internal documents, what is the external document mean? Internal documents is only purchase requisition. Okay, because within company will be maintaining, like within a company the documents are required also will be maintained within the company. That is a purchase requisition. That is the internal document, not a purchase requisition. It is an internal document within the company will be maintaining. And external documents means like request for quotation, purchase order, contracts, scheduling agreement. These are the external documents. And types of purchase orders. See, you have different types of purchase orders. One is standard purchase orders, framework purchase orders, subcontracting purchase orders, consignment purchase orders, third party purchase orders, and also stock transport purchase orders. Okay, these are the different types of purchase orders. And inventory management. See, inventory management also, what is the inventory management? In that we have four types of inventory management. One is the goods issue. What is the goods issue? What is the transfer posting? What is the physical inventory? Goods issue, it means like whenever you have received all materials, then you will do MIGO, where we can do goods receipt with the moment type 101. Goods issue means like you are issuing the goods to other department or the respective cost. Transfer posting means like you will be transferring the stock from one black to other. Like we have three important blacks, like we have we have important stocks like unrestricted stock, black stock, and quality inspection. You will be transferring the stock from unrestricted to quality, from quality to black and all. Okay, you're just transferring the stock. And what is the physical inventory? Physical inventory means like how much stock is having in warehouse and how much stock is showing in system. Okay, it has to match. See, while running balance sheet and all, if it is not matching, then they will adjust and post. That is the physical inventory. Okay, I will explain in detail about inventory management in SAP screen. This is a just overview of inventory management. And next one is invoice verification. See, invoice verification also have four types. One is invoice verification, and what is subsequent debit, and what is a credit memo, and also subsequent credit. And invoice verification means like whenever you have received the materials and you will do MIGO, as for that you will do MIRO, where we can do invoice verification. In detail, I'll be explaining about subsequent debit, credit memo, subsequent credit. These all things will be explained in SAP screen in next. And this is the invoice verification. And yeah, and thank you for watching my video. If you have any suggestions, and please feel free to comment. And thank you. Bye bye.